도착한 지는 이제 하루 됐어요. 첫날인데 너무 신기한 게 많은 것 같아요. 지중해라서 그런지 몰라도 바다가 일단 너무너무 예쁘고, 그리고 제가 지금까지 다녀왔던 그 어떤 나라와도 다 다른 것 같아요. 아름답고 여유로운 좀, 그리스하고는 전혀 다른 것 같아요. 가보도록 하겠습니다.
Want to say hi?
Huh?
Say hi. Why not? 지금 친구 집에 와서 친구들을 만났어요. 지금 Tribunj. I got here and because I'm starving, I asked them if we could go to a restaurant. We're gonna go eat something and start drinking, I guess.
Yeah.
As soon as I arrived, they've been saying like, you want water, you want juice, you want wine. I'm like, can we eat something first? Because I haven't eaten anything. But yeah, it's really beautiful. The sea, I haven't been in the sea yet, in the beach yet. But on the way here, I saw a lot of them, and it seems really beautiful. The water is really clear, it's very clean. And I looked up a little bit on the internet, and it says Croatia has one of the cleanest water in the world. Like not only the tap water, but the sea water and everything in general. They have the cleanest water in the world, which is very nice. So I guess I go see how it is. A lot of people. Cool.
After the season ends, there's nobody here. Like you can't see people on the street. Yeah, it's so not so many people. And during the winter, it's not so cold because of the climate. It's because of the wind. It's so that strong wind is very often. So people don't have, they don't get out of the house. They don't have anything to do. You can, like everything that happens, like for young people, concerts, festivals, exhibitions. If you want to, I don't know, go to museums and shit, you need to go to big cities. And that
Here is nothing.
Yeah, it's really hard. There's no purpose to go out and just be out or walking somewhere on that way because it's really strong.
Yeah. Like yesterday. Worse? Much worse.
Yeah, but it's constant. It's like yesterday it was like, I don't know how much, 1 hour. I was at Anna. She has that house in Makarska.
Makarska, yeah, she told me like in the south.
Yeah. And we were there in September, and first 2 days it was amazing, and last 2 days were I don't know, crazy. That wind, it just we couldn't do anything. We were in the house all the time. So
what do you do? Like just watch a movie and get drunk?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was asking, that people, there was a lot of drug addicts in that part of Croatia, for example in Split or in Rijeka or from that island, because they don't have anything to do during the year, so they just can do drugs and shit.
The drugs like
with serious drugs.
With serious drugs? Not like just smoking weed all day?
No, just not
really?
Just weed, yeah, everything, but if it's boring.
Like serious drugs like cocaine or
heroin. Yeah, cocaine and
But they are, like, those drugs are expensive. How do they buy the drugs?
And you can, like, if you want drug, you'll manage your way.
If you want drugs, you manage. If you really want drugs, you somehow manage it. Shit, so are there a lot of drug addicts in Croatia? In some parts?
Like, it's not like in Italy maybe or some. We don't have like that high percentage of drug addicts, but in some parts usually drug addicts are from some parts of Croatia. It's like just because of the winter and the place where they live is shitty, I don't know. So
during the winter it's like super windy and super cold and nothing to do. During the summer, is it better during the summer?
During the summer it's cool, like everybody going to the coast.
But one question, you know, like people who live in, I don't know,
here, Tribunj,
Yeah.
people who live here, how do they make money? What do they do?
There is some, maybe they're working in cities like Zadar or Šibenik. Maybe they produce something like olive oil.
So
or
they
shit.
work in the Zadar, but they live here?
Yeah,
So they go to Zadar every day?
yeah. But it's not so. It's like maybe
It's like
half an hour,
Oh.
40 minutes by
car?
car. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like 2 hours.
No, it's not so
Oh.
like Croatia. For the Zadar, it's like half an hour, maybe.
So some people work in Zadar and
Or in Šibenik, or I don't know.
Šibenik, because Šibenik.
Maybe they have like business here, but there's not a lot of opportunities. For example, if you want to be a doctor, you will probably get a job, but you won't get a job probably in Zagreb. I will probably, if I want to work like in emergency or in I don't know, that general practitioner. Maybe I should go to islands or in parts like here, because nobody wants to work here, you know, in this part.
The
of
rural
Croatia.
area,
Yeah, rural
like
area.
outside of
Yeah,
cities.
because they're searching for doctors. They will give you apartments and I don't know.
Because they need something.
Yeah, they need, yeah.
Because I think like this lifestyle of villages
Mhm.
is very different, very new to Koreans. Because like in Korea there are villages, of course, but I would say
They're more connected with
big cities,
yeah.
like, and 90%, 80% of the people, 89%
Yeah.
of the people already live in the cities,
yeah.
and 10% are very old people who live in the villages. Not like there's no kids, no.
Yeah, but that's the
Young
problem
generation.
also in Croatia, because villages they're becoming old because of that population.
Yeah, everyone's
Nobody wants
leaving.
to live there because they can't find job there.
Mhm.
If you're growing up somewhere, it's your home. Maybe you would live there, but you don't have opportunities. But the main problem is that it's not so connected with big cities. Everything is centralized.
We talked about it yesterday, but like getting a job outside of Croatia is not easy. It's very difficult for you.
I don't know how it's for you, but do you have like that feeling that you're a stranger, like when you come?
Yeah, of course,
or-
of course,
or
of course.
Does that bother you?
I mean,
Do you
I
sense
would,
that
I would feel
feeling?
like I would feel like home, but at the same time, I will always feel like I'm a stranger because
Yeah.
I'm in a different country. Of course,
Yeah.
it's not like, you know, there is still racism and there is still like
Yeah.
people making fun of like, you know, like Asians or
Yeah,
like
yeah.
foreigners, or you know, I don't speak Polish, so it would never be my home.
Home, yeah. That's
But-
the same.
But because I lived abroad many years, like I don't mind too much about being the stranger. I don't.
Yeah.
It's not too bad for me.
Yeah.
But that is actually one of big problem for my friend. Like he lived abroad for a few years, but he's still not feeling completely comfortable at the place. It's already been few years,
Yeah.
but it's like, yeah, I don't want to live here because I still don't feel like I'm home. I still don't have enough friends. I still don't have my
it's fucked up,
family.
Yeah.
Even after years. So it's like I'm never gonna like live here because, you know, I'm here because I have to finish my studies, but
Yeah.
once I finish I'm gonna go back to Korea
Yeah.
because I don't feel like home. It's uncomfortable. But also like, you know, the culture and feeling home is very important, but I guess
Yeah.
like making money is very important as well. If you can't make money, even if you feel comfortable, you can't live there if you don't
Yeah.
have money.
But for me, I was like thinking about it a lot this year, because I'm not sure if I get a specialization that I want. So I probably will be forced to go to other country. But like fucked up because of the maybe corruption or shit that the situation is like that. You get small salaries, work so hard. In your own country, I'm forced to move from my home to have more money. It's like, I don't know, you know, I like it here because of my friends. I have a lot of friends here, and it's not so bad if you don't think about money and stuff like.
Just if you have a little more money, not like
Yeah, you just can live, not just work and survive. Just then you want to like work and travel and have a normal life. I don't know, just.
Do you envy some of other countries, like for making more money doing the same job?
No, maybe envy some other people for their mentality, but it's connected with money. For example, if you took Danish people, you can see in Croatian people, we are so worried. And once there was a article about how we are the most depressed people in Europe, because
really?
Yeah, we worry so much about everything. And for example, if you go to Scandinavian countries, they don't worry so much about existence or about some stupid stuff like general transport and shit, because everything works, you know. For example, in Korea probably also everything that should work works, like your train won't
Disappear somehow.
yeah, like every time I'm trying to go on my train, it's late, or it
late,
stops
yeah.
in the middle or nowhere, and you just need to wait like 10 minutes. And oh my god, I'm going to exam. I'm going to, you know.
The thing you envy the most from the other country is like general things.
Yeah, general.
Like the government thing.
Yeah, government things. Yeah, bro. I think that's the main.
Not the
problem in
country or not
Croatia.
the nature.
No, I think Croatia is beautiful country.
It
You
is
have-
beautiful
you have
country.
sea, it's not like so bad. I'm thinking like we are going to collapse tomorrow, but
Yeah.
it's not like that. But I think the problem is that most people in Croatia, for young people, think like that because they are not satisfied with the situation. I don't know if it's that like in other countries. For example.
Well, I mean, yeah, Koreans are not satisfied with their government either, but you know, very different reasons. So you think like you want Croatia government to have more money, so like things are better.
Not the problem in Croatian government is that they don't give a fuck about people. I told you yesterday, because of that mentality, you just. I think that in Croatia, everyone who wants to get into politics, that must be something wrong with him. You just need to be suspicious, because when they get their positions, they just like collect for themselves, just for themselves, and they don't give a shit about general
Country or other.
good, yeah.
So it's mainly corruption.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Why do you think it's so corrupted?
But it has to do with something with the war and that mentality, because you don't. It's not like corruption. Like I will give you money, and you will like do something. For example, you finish medicine, and you need to, if you want, for example, work in Zagreb, you probably won't get a job now. But if you know somebody, you know, like if your father. If my father is a doctor, he will fix the job for me. Or if my grandfather, I don't know, a good father is, you know, that's kind of corruption in.
It's like your friend's father or father's friend is well connected, and you're
in
set.
Croatia. So like, if you wanna, I don't know, you wanna have treatment like. Diagnostic, for example, MRI or something like that. If you try to get on the list for it, you will wait 1 year. Yeah, just
to get
MRI, for example. But
if you have friends, then
go to private, okay, you will pay. But if you know somebody in hospital, for example, somebody who can like ask, you can get MRI in 1 week. Like it's that kind of thing.
So it's corrupted in sense that like not only the government but like the society everything is like
on that
kind of like you have to know people to get the things done. MRI 1 year, but if you know a person 1 week.
1 week, yeah.
But it's not only that, but everything's kind of like that.
Everything, almost everything, yeah.
It's kind of important to be
very well connected, yeah.
Be an important person, then you know a lot of people, and then you live a good life. But if you don't know other people, then you are fucked.
Yeah, the connections are really important. We have sea and beautiful. And it's the cleanest sea in the world.
Yeah, it is. The Croatian sea is amazing.
Yeah.
Croatian sea
You
is
should
beautiful.
come. Yeah.
Like, I've been to a few sea in the world, and my favorite until Croatia, like, oh, yesterday, my favorite was Thailand sea.
And
You know?
from yesterday.
From yesterday, now my favorite is Croatian. Oh my god, the Mediterranean Sea right there, beautiful, very clear. It's like you can see through like 10 meters on the ground. Like you can see the rocks, and it's super clear, and it's warm, and weather is awesome. It's not humid. Like right now it's 28 degrees and it's not hot at all because it's not humid.
I need to call Anna.
If you go under the sun, it's hot. But if you're under the roof and like the wind is nice, it's chill, it's beautiful. Before we finish the video, tell me one best thing about Croatia and why people should come to Croatia.
Why should people come to Croatia?
Yeah, what's the best thing about it?
Sea.
See?
Sea is the best thing like in the world. And maybe you can come to Croatia. And, my friends are the best also.
Okay.
You should meet us.
Yeah, Croatian sea is truly beautiful. And yeah, you should come to Croatia.